Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we insert the times in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, suppose this is the column where we are entering the times, and let's suppose in this cell K6 we wanna again enter the times. So guys, what we will do is we will just select the cell one by one, and in using keyboard just press Ctrl plus Shift and then column. As you can see guys, this time right now which is running on my PC is applied here. I just select this one, and as you can see it's 9 is the hour, 36 is the minute, and you don't have the second. Get it? But why? Because in this number group you can see it's custom. So to make available as a time format, just select on that, and in this number group, while going to home, in this number group you'll see this arrow. Click on this arrow and click time. As you can see guys, this 9 is the hour, 36 is the minute, and this 00 is your second. So guys, like suppose you want to edit this one. Get it? So you don't have to do anything, just click on it, just do double click on it, and you can change whatever you want. Like here, if you want to enter 12, get it? Whatever. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.